Let me show you all of the front camera video settings on iPhone 17. So first of all, let's open the settings on our device. Next step is to look for the camera section right here, and then we'll be able to find most of the settings. So here you can change the record video resolution. You can also enable a few of the settings below, like show PAL formats, enhanced stabilization, action mode, lower light, HDR video, auto FPS, lock camera, and lock white balance. Then there's record slow motion videos that you can adjust right here. Then we have the record cinematic and record sound that you can manage as well. Then there's formats. Then we have preserve settings, which allows you to basically open a settings each time you're going to change them. They will apply and you can use them all the time. Then there's use volume up to burst photo, scan QR codes, show detected text. In composition you can find grid, leveler, mirror front camera, view outside the frame, and indicators like a flash, live photo, and action mode. Next things are photo capture. You can enable portraits in photo mode. You can manage prioritize faster shooting, lens correction, macro control, lens cleaning hints, and save captures to photo library. Now let's move to the shortcuts. So if you enter camera for the first time, then you will find the camera control, which is a button located right here, and you can use this button for many different purposes. You can use it to open camera, to take photos, or adjust the filters, exposure, and basically everything that the camera has to offer. You can access it with single click or double click. You can enable require screen on, which when enabled you won't be able to access this button when your phone is locked. Then there's controls. You can enable camera adjustments to adjust the settings that I've mentioned, and you can customize those settings right here. Then we have the lock, focus, and exposure, and accessibility settings. Now let's move to the camera itself. And here when we enter it, we can click on a 6 dots in the top right corner of the screen, or to access more settings. I will show you them in a moment, but first let's cover that as well. So you have a macro mode right here that you can turn on and off. You can adjust the zoom right here. You can change the camera to front and rear view like this. You can change the video recording settings also on the go right there. Now if we click on those 6 dots, we can enable or disable flash, turn on and off a live view, timer, exposure, styles, and aspect. Now let me show you how to use this camera button. So all you have to do, depending on which settings you've picked, you need to click on that button twice to open it. Then you can click and hold this button with your finger. Sorry, it's a bit tricky when the phone is laying like that. That way you'll be able to see this menu right here, which allows you to adjust many different settings by just swiping like that. It's much easier. So that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching, and if you like this video, please consider subscribing.